I'm Deb Kelsch from Finishwell Health Coaching. It's time once again to look in the fridge. Let's see what we can find. Okay, looking in the fridge. We got some mystery containers. Let's see. What's in here? We got some steak. Yeah, that sounds good. Some cheese. We have one Roma tomato left. What's this? Oh, asparagus. Part of a pepper. Container right here. Let's see what's in here. We have onion. There's some ginger root. Cilantro, mushrooms, I think I'll take those. And that looks like green onions. Okay. I think I might make some Philly cheesesteak with a twist since we have some greens and some tomatoes. Let's see how that works out. So I have chosen a bell pepper, part of an onion, mushroom, asparagus, a Roma tomato, mozzarella cheese, and some steak. And of course, I'll be using avocado oil today. I got my pan ready. I'm going to oil it up, about 3 tablespoons of oil. Here we go. I'm going to turn on the heat to medium high. And now we come back over here. So I'm going to get out a bowl to make it a little easier. And I'm going to cut these peppers up. Put them in the bowl. Some onion. Put these in the bowl. Some mushrooms. Ooh, those are big. Very happy about that. Let's see. We're going to cook these up. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. Melting it all up. And now you can season it. I'm using minced garlic. You don't need a lot. I'm also going to use some black pepper. And of course, salt. Mineral salt. You can see it sizzling. I'm going to move that over here. I'm going to put a little more oil in the pan. I'm going to trim these asparagus. And I'm going to cook these on the side here. Put a little oil on them. And some salt. I'm going to cut up the tomato into chunks, not too thick. I'm going to cook those up. And now I'm going to add the steak. It won't take very long to cook that because it's already been cooked. A little more pepper, a little more salt, look at that. I got my plate ready. I'm going to put the asparagus on the plate and the tomatoes. And now I'm going to spread this out a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle the cheese I'm going to cover it up. Now I've never cooked this before, so I don't know how this is going to work. This might just make a big mess, or it might turn out to be fantastic. We're going to find out. Back to our pan. Ooh. I'm going to take that and put it on my plate. And now, because it's still hot, I'm going to sprinkle a little more cheese on top. We'll see if that melts. Just a little. Too much and it won't melt. Look at that. And now I'm ready to eat.